Hello and welcome. Christmas time in the city. My name is Chris, and welcome to Central Park. It's currently December 6th, about 10 to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are at the southeast corner of Central Park at 59th Street and 5th Avenue. Just over there is the Plaza. We're going to be walking down this way to check out the skating rink, women's skating rink, and we're going to pop back around, walk down 5th Avenue, and finally over to Rockefeller Center. It's one of the colder nights so far here in the city. We saw some snow as we were driving through, although I'm pretty confident that the snow was artificial and being used for some sort of filming. Here we are on this side. You can see the Upper East Side. Directly in front of us is the Central Park Zoo. This is a great zoo to come hang out in. Anything in Central Park is fun because there's such a juxtaposition between the park itself and the city around you. So you can hear the horns and stuff going pretty much nonstop. Hey John, hi from Central Park. Just want to say hello to everyone watching, whether it be now or in the future, whether it's on our Facebook page or our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel we're going to be launching more aggressively pretty soon. I'm doing more live streams there. I'm going to wait for my wife to realize she can't go down the stairs with a stroller. There's definitely faster ways to do it.
3 weeks.
I probably lost like 7% body fat.
I attempt to do it on my own.
No way. Hello, Dwayne, New Zealand. We're currently walking in a tunnel in Central Park. This is where a Law and Order episode would begin. And again, we're just taking a stroll today to see what's going on, what we like to call a vibe check. Now that the holidays are in full effect and it's nice and chilly here, we want to get a good look. It is almost 5 o'clock, and because it's the winter, it gets dark very quickly, so this became a night video. Yeah.
Hi.
Pick one. So off in the distance over there is Woman Rink. One of the more fun ice skating rinks here in the city to check out. We'll see if we can get a better shot later. We went the other way.
This drive is still going on.
Here's another view of... That might have been one of the tunnels from Cloverfield. I imagine that they'd probably use something similar to that. This is the Plaza Hotel. It's currently closed to all guests, but it's still a pretty nice place to hang out. Let's keep going. Never want to forget to look up when you're walking in the park. Is the Buildings are pretty crazy sometimes. It's 11 in the morning there. Oh my gosh. This is one of those new high rises. Hi from Christmas, Florida. This is one of those super slender ones, which I don't know how you could possibly want to live in that. I can't wait for this COVID stuff to be over too. I don't mind walking around with the mask, but it's certainly uncomfortable. But you gotta do what you gotta do. We've been kind of hesitant to come out and do a lot of stuff because it's just, it can be a little crowded. So I'm just trying to maintain a good distance. As you can see, there's no one out here at all. This is the ice skating rink from Home Alone 2, where the sticky bandits are ice skating and stealing people's hats and such. We'll get a better shot of that in a moment. Yeah, we're gonna swing around. Actually, maybe I can just do this, so that we won't have to go too far out of the way. Over the river and through the woods. The creepiest place to watch people ice skate. There's a couple human-sized poops right there, which we won't show you. Yeah, it is keeping me warm, the face mask, which I appreciate. I probably would still be wearing something over my face, so it's nice to have that for that reason. Without getting too much into it, there was a bit of a rebranding at the Woolman rink not too long ago. It's a fun one. It's a weird shape. What's that? All right, maintaining a distance from the human poop that's on the floor there still. And we're heading back out. So captivating footage. You're welcome. I think we're going to start making our way back out of Central Park and into the city now.
I think you might want to run around here for a minute.
Oh, okay. I think we're going to maybe take a break from recording then so our child can run around in the dark.
Yep. And you can go with one over there if you want.
No, thanks.
Do I just keep moving?
No, we'll close it out now and we'll be back in a few minutes for a walk to Rockefeller Center.